I'll show you how to create a low poly cloud in Blender in under a minute. It's super easy and perfect for cartoon or stylized projects. Let's get started. Move the spheres around a bit to create a fluffy cloud shape. Honestly, mine looks more like a croissant than a cloud, but hopefully yours turns out better. Once you're happy with the shape, select all the spheres manually or just pressing A and after press Ctrl+J to join them into one object. Now, press Ctrl+A and scale. Next, head to the Modifiers tab, click Add Modifier, and select Remesh. I set the value to 0.05. Feel free to experiment with different values to find the effect you like best. Now, add another modifier, click Add Modifier, and choose Decimate. I set the value to 0.01. And here's the croissant. I mean, cloud in low poly.